In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to turn off your iPad Pro without needing to touch the screen. So if your iPad screen has frozen or it's just not functioning correctly, then it can be useful sometimes to be able to turn off the iPad Pro without needing to ever touch the screen. So the way that we achieve this is by using the buttons on the side of the iPad, and we need to perform a 3-part combination. So if you just tilt your iPad Pro over to its side like so, you'll see this up and down volume button. So the combination that you need to perform is you need to press the volume up button and release, press the volume down button and release, and then you need to hold down the power button. So let's perform this together now, and it may take you a couple of attempts to get this right. So we're going to quickly press the volume up button and release, quickly press the volume down button and release, and then we're going to hold down the power button like so, and you need to keep holding down this button until you see the Apple logo appear. Now if you accidentally release your finger from this power button, then you'll need to start from the beginning and perform this combination again. So we're just going to keep holding this down, ignore the slide to power off button on the screen here, and just keep holding this down, and eventually it's going to shut itself off and you'll get a black screen, and then you'll see the Apple logo appear. And once you see the Apple logo, you can then release the power button, and we've now successfully reset our iPad. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.